Hello everyone. I've been working on a replica of the Tron Legacy identity disk, the one that Sam Flynn is using. Sorry, the upper LED strips there still have to be fixed. I haven't glued them on yet. I'm getting very close to the end of all the hardware install. The only things left are the buttons, the batteries and the charging circuit for them. That's coming up. I'm working on getting the code right at the moment, because that is going to be one of the biggest factors, of course. And it's been a real learning experience. I have now made a sketch that combines the test sketches from Adafruit for the Bluefruit M0, which is my Arduino board over there, the Music Maker on the right, and the Neopixel strips inside. And I did that just because I know that works. I'm still learning all the stuff, so just to get that together so I could not only just test the sound but also the lights and as well at the same time, and vice versa. And it has been a learning experience to really figure out what everything does and how it works, what works and what doesn't work. And I'm still learning, but it's really interesting, and I'm glad I figured out stuff like including the file function for the Music Maker. I thought that was part of the void loop, and I forgot I don't know, the bracket at the end. I forgot one of those, so I got errors that it couldn't find it at first, and I understood that it needed to be included at the end, and then I forgot the bracket, and well, it's a learning curve, learning experience, but I'm really happy I'm getting there, so here goes. So one of the things you'll notice is that the thing's gonna beep. That's part of the test sketch for the Music Maker to just say, okay, I'm alive. I'm gonna take that out later, of course. It's now running it started to play the sound, and it's running one of the functions for the test script sketch. What I found, and I had a moment like, why doesn't it work right away? I copied the functions. They're in there twice. Once for the outer strip, once for the inner strip, and I found that they can't run simultaneously, unfortunately, but it's not a problem, because in the final result the inner disk is going to be static. It boots up and it stays static, and the outer one's a separate animation, separate function. So I got Erv Plecter's code, his sketch, and I'm looking into getting that incorporated into my design, because my hardware setup is different. He has the Arduino only controlling the LED strips, and a separate board that is not controlled by the Arduino for the music. That separate board tells his Arduino fire up that animation. So that makes it different for me, because my Arduino has to control both the LED strips and the Music Maker, and I'm learning that well, it can't do certain things at the same time, but I'm learning, and I'm really glad that I've already gotten this far, and I'll definitely get it up and running the way I want it. Thank you for watching, and all the details about the RPF thread and my website that I recently started for this project, and also other DIY stuff I want to publish, will be on there. Thank you. Bye.